Hello everyone, and welcome to Haley's Country Kitchen. Okay, so today we're going to be making a famous peach cobbler that everybody I know likes. Okay, and I bet you'll like it too. So to start off with the ingredients, you are going to need two 15-ounce cans of peaches in syrup, okay? Next is a half cup of melted butter, or which equals out to 1 stick. So I just got a stick of butter right here. Okay, you're going to need 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. For your ingredients, you're going to need a bowl to mix everything in. You're going to need a whisk, a spatula, a wet measuring cup for wet ingredients. You're going to need a dry measuring cup. You're going to need a bowl. You're gonna need a drainer. That's it. And you're gonna need a 9.5-inch pan. Okay. So, whoa, great lighting. Okay, so that's what you're gonna need. Now let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our peaches. Our peaches, we need to have 1 can drained and the other one drained and reserved. We're going to use that for the peach cobbler. So let's go ahead and do that. With your drainer and your bowl, you're going to go ahead and drain your mixture. This can has not been drained yet. This is the reserved one. So I'm going to go ahead and drain that. And I'm just going to let this sit out and let it drain, as it's doing right now. And then this can right here has already been drained, so we're good to go. Next, since we have our oven preheated to 350, we are going to go ahead and take our half a cup of butter, or 1 stick, and we're going to go ahead and place it in the dish, okay? Like that. Like that. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven real quick to let the butter melt and, let it melt, because that's what we need is melted butter. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven for about 2 minutes, maybe 1. Okay, so in this bowl we have our 1 cup of sugar and our 1 cup of self-rising flour. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take our whisk real quick and just whisk this all together, make sure it's distributed throughout the flour, and make sure that it's all good to go. Okay, so next we are going to need to add in our milk to our dry mixture. So let's go ahead and add in 1 cup of milk. You want to make sure you either do this eye level. I got about a cup. Okay. So our cup of milk and our drained peaches. So let's go ahead and add in the syrup. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and mix this all together. Okay, so now we have our melted butter out. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to take our batter and pour it over the melted butter in the dish. So give this a little quick whisk real quick. Go ahead and pour it straight over it. What the batter looks like once the batter is in the baking dish with the butter. Now we're going to go ahead and rearrange our peaches to the batter. They will sink in. That's okay. So this is going to be tasting really good. Sounds fun. Okay. Alright, so next we're going to take this wonderful creation and we're going to put it in the oven without dropping it. Okay, so this is going to bake in here for 1 hour. So we're going to go ahead and set our timer for 1 hour and let it cook, and it'll come off when we're ready. It'll be golden brown and nice when it comes out, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so come look at it. Ooh. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So try out Haley's famous peach cobbler, because one bite of it and you'll feel like you're in heaven. Just saying.